Want to know how to get your business listed for free on the most dominant search engine on the internet? More and more local businesses are claiming their listing on Google My Business to attract highly targeted and well-qualified leads. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled Google Listing Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand how Google My Business works, how to get your business to appear on Google Maps, and everything else you need to know before taking advantage of your free listing. This report in no way is endorsed, in partnership or affiliated with Google. It is for educational purposes only based on our research and experience. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.